Uncle, are you following the Two-Face and Danny saga? When he was talking about cheating and all this.
Yes.
Do you know about the story? Do you think it was disrespectful from Two-Face?
Of course, it was very, very disrespectful.
Yeah.
In fact, it's even more than disrespectful. It was a shameless act. Even if you want to say something like that, not when the woman is there.
Thank you.
The woman was there with another lady, and then you are saying you want to bring the woman down. That's what you're trying to say. Even if he was doing things like that he was saying that a man will. No, but who even said men will do such a thing?
Do you disagree with what he was saying?
What are you saying? Why should a man cheat on his wife?
I don't know.
Usually you don't know.
Uncle, you are the oldest one here with the wisdom.
And even if you are cheating, why would you have to say it in public? In fact, when
that one was too much.
He did not even recognize the fact that the wife was there.
But first of all, the whole conversation was a failure for me. Why is the wife there and they're having such a conversation in the public and all this thing?
He took out his wife.
Yeah.
For normal, let's go and chill and relax and enjoy ourselves for chop. So the friends were there, and then the conversation started. Okay. And then he was now saying that men will cheat. Let me tell you something. Even if you are cheating, don't be saying men. Speak for yourself.
You don't snitch on yourself like that in a way somehow. Or what do you mean?
What do you mean? You know, I said he should speak for himself. He should not be saying men. Men like us, we don't cheat on our wives. If you are taking someone serious, you should stick to one.
You have been married 3 times. So.
Are you trying to tell me what he said is correct?
But is it what? Tell me what's wrong about what he said.
Everything is wrong.
Like
everything is wrong. What he has said. How can you tell me that men has been wired that way to cheat on our wives, on our spouse?
You can call it cheating. You can call it following your instincts. You can call it, but I don't see nothing bad. For you see, it's a religion that makes something like that bad. If you would ask me,
people like you. Women will see. Let me tell you something. People like you, women will castrate you. Women, they will cut your brocos. They will cut it.
Will you let that happen to me? Or
me? God knows. I will. When they will be doing that, I will be sitting down and eating puff. I will be eating popcorn and watching them. Because it is people like you that will make women to be saying men as come. How can you cheat on a woman?
But you know there are also
women are meant to be loved and not cheated on.
But uncle, you know there are also women that cheat on men. It's a two-sided, it's a balance game. It's going up and down.
Exactly.
Why are some one side pointing the finger and saying this?
That act of cheating is irresponsible.
Okay, so
I know who I am. I am a responsible man. I am a father figure, a man of the people, a man of the society, a man that knows what he is doing. Not the man of the a father of the soil.
A father.
I cannot be looking at people doing rubbish and support them. What he did was absolutely rubbish. What he did was it was a calamity, an abomination. How can your wife be sitting close to you and you are using your mouth to pronounce nonsense? What's rubbish? That's Arab nonsense. Let me tell you something. If you were the one that was on that camera and they were videoing you, by now
I would dead. Uncle, why do you want to see me dead or I don't know?
No, when I said this, I didn't say I was going to kill you. I only said if. You were very lucky you were not the man. If you know that you are cheating, you better stop it. Because it's wrong.
Are you cheating?
People that... If I'm cheating.
You won't be saying it here live on camera. I just wanted to see maybe you fall for the trap.
I am not... Let me tell you, even if I am not cheating, even if I was, I will not be like this. I will be telling you that nonsense on front of the camera.
But he didn't say he was cheating. He said some men will still cheat.
It is what he is doing that he is saying. He was studying from
that one is his
Don't you know Two-Face?
That one is his case and his marriage.
Father of all nations.
Father of all nations.
Two-Face is the giver. He gives a lot.
Yeah,
everybody knows that one.
He's a big-hearted musician.
Let me be going.